Frederick Sanger, also known as the father of genomics, is one of 4 scientists to win 2 Nobel Prizes in their lifetime and the only scientist to receive both in chemistry. Sanger's work has revolutionized many fields of science such as microbiology, virology, infectious disease, and plant biology. Frederick Sanger was born on August 13, 1918, in Rencombe, England. Sanger was the middle child of Frederick and Cicely Sanger, with an older brother Theodore and a younger sister Mary. The family expected him to follow in his father's footsteps and become a medical doctor. However, he was interested in biochemistry as it offered a way to develop a scientific basis for the understanding of many medical problems. In 1939, Sanger graduated from biochemistry at St. John's College, Cambridge. In 1940, Sanger married Margaret Joan Howe and had 3 children, Robin, Sally, and Peter. From 1940 to 1943, Sanger stayed at the University of Cambridge studying the nutritional benefit of lysine in potatoes under biochemist Albert Neuberger. He obtained his PhD from this work in 1943. After that, Sanger began working for protein chemist A.C. Chibnall on identifying the free amino groups in an insulin protein. From this, Sanger was able to determine the sequence and structure of insulin. By doing so, he proved that proteins were ordered molecules and the genes and DNA that make these proteins should have an order as well. Sanger received his first Nobel Prize in 1958 for this work. In 1962, the Medical Research Council, of which Sanger was a part of, opened its new laboratory of molecular biology in Cambridge. This is where Sanger spent the rest of his active science career. During this time, Sanger switched his focus to sequencing nucleic acids. Sanger first adopted the same technique to sequence RNA as he did insulin. This led to techniques applicable for DNA sequences and eventually to the dideoxy, also known as Sanger sequencing method, known today. Sanger published the dideoxy method in 1977 and in 1980 received his second Nobel Prize for this work. By the 1990s, Sanger's highly accurate dideoxy method was used by laboratories around the world to work out the sequence of the human genome. In 1993, the Wellcome Trust and the Medical Research Council opened the Sanger Center, a research center for furthering the knowledge of genomes. After retirement in 1984, Sanger spent most of his time working in his garden until passing away on November 19, 2013, at the age of 95.
Created using Powtoon.